Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have two exciting options to help you pamper yourself at home. We'll be sharing a step-by-step guide on how to give yourself a relaxing and chemical-free pedicure and manicure using natural items. You can choose between option A and option B. So let's get started. Option A, freshness and nourishment. Before we begin, it's important to create a soothing atmosphere. Set up a comfortable area with a towel, a basin filled with warm water, and a few drops of essential oil. This will enhance the overall experience of your pedicure and manicure. Let's begin with a nourishing nail soak. In a bowl, combine half a cup of warm water, the juice of half a lemon, and a tablespoon of olive oil. Lemon helps whiten and strengthen your nails, while olive oil moisturizes and softens cuticles. Soak your hands and feet in this mixture for about 10 minutes. Next, let's exfoliate to remove dead skin cells. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of brown sugar with a tablespoon of honey. Apply this natural scrub to your hands and feet and gently massage in circular motions for a few minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Now, it's time for a hydrating mask to nourish your skin. Mash a ripe avocado in a bowl and add a tablespoon of plain yogurt. Avocado is rich in vitamins and minerals, while yogurt contains lactic acid for gentle exfoliation. Apply this mask to your hands and feet, leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse off. Finally, let's take care of our nails. File your nails to your desired shape using a gentle nail file. Remember to file in one direction to prevent damage. Push back your cuticles using a wooden cuticle stick and trim any excess skin carefully. Apply a non-toxic nail polish of your choice, or keep it natural for a clean and fresh look. Option B, revitalizing and rejuvenating. The first step is to gather some natural items for our homemade pedicure and manicure. Look for these items in your kitchen or garden: lemons, sea salt, honey, coconut oil, and fresh herbs like mint or lavender. These ingredients will provide the perfect blend of freshness and nourishment. Start by preparing a refreshing soak for our hands and feet. Fill a basin with warm water and squeeze the juice of 2 lemons into it. Add a handful of sea salt and a few drops of lavender essential oil for a calming aroma. Soak your hands and feet in this revitalizing mixture for about 15 minutes. Time to exfoliate and rejuvenate our skin. In a small bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of honey with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix in 1 teaspoon of lemon zest for an invigorating citrus scrub. Gently massage this scrub onto your hands and feet, focusing on rough areas. Rinse off with warm water. Now, let's deeply moisturize our skin using a homemade herb-infused oil. Take a clean glass jar and fill it with coconut oil. Add a handful of fresh mint leaves or lavender buds to the jar. Seal it tightly and let it sit for a week to infuse. After that, strain the oil and apply it generously to your hands and feet. It's time to give our nails a beautiful finish. Start by gently pushing back your cuticles with a wooden cuticle stick. Shape your nails with a nail file to your desired length and style. Apply a clear, non-toxic base coat to protect your nails and follow it up with your favorite natural nail polish shade. Let it dry completely. Congratulations! You've successfully completed your choice of either the freshness and nourishment pedicure and manicure, option A, or the revitalizing and rejuvenating pedicure and manicure, option B, using natural items. By opting for these chemical-free methods, you've shown love to yourself and the environment. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more self-care tips and tricks.